back and happy Monday, my friends. This is Lindsay and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the company TeamPeople. Now they're hiring a proofreader. This is full-time remote and it is possibly worldwide. We'll get to that in a minute, so stick with me here. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to everything I always share are in the YouTube description box below. But TeamPeople is hiring a proofreader to be responsible for reading content for grammar, style, and brand, and then validating the accuracy and completeness of any changes in that content to all documents by the department. So you will be collaborating with designers, art directors, marketing managers, all of those kinds of people to help create timely and professional marketing documents. You'll correct grammar, typography, and compositional errors in the original copy. You'll then validate the accuracy and completeness of all changes to the documentations produced by the agency. You'll provide precise and timely review of all marketing materials, and you must be able to check, monitor, and maintain brand consistency. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who has some kind of English or related degree or some kind of equivalent experience. They want a minimum of 5 to 8 years of proofreading experience, ideally in some kind of a financial services setting. This company is in the financial industry. They are looking for someone who is familiar with the Associated Press style book, someone who has great attention to detail and able to focus for very long periods of time. Of course, you have to have excellent command of the English language. You have to have knowledge of layout, design, and typography, and the ability to electronically mark up PDFs. So it sounds like you need to have your own computer equipment. Now, when you come down here and hit the apply for the proofreader position, if you are interested, the application it takes you to does give you the option to choose the country. So I don't know if that means that they do hire worldwide or not. And the job posting, it did not list the pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But I did look up the company TeamPeople on Glassdoor, and they do have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. I will leave the Glassdoor page link down below if you want to do your own research on the company. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.